I've heard carbon monoxide called the silent killer. In our house, we had a lot of gas appliances. I'd never even thought about it before, that they could cause such an incident. I remember when I got the call from TELUS letting me know that our carbon monoxide sensor was sensing carbon monoxide in our house.
I realized if we didn't have the TELUS SmartHome Security, and that happened when we were home and asleep, we could have died.
TELUS handled the whole situation and sent the fire department and fellow from the gas company.
It was just a relief to know that the problem had been completely dealt with.
We're pretty happy to have the TELUS SmartHome Security. It means we can sleep at night with no worries.
I'm very glad we've got the system. We know right away what's going on. We can relax and feel happy that our home is safe.